Outlaw, I think the second line's yours, lad, if you want it again.
Voice of an angel.
Copy that.
Jolly good. Outlaws, use double column. Come on, we got 2 lands here, please. Oh, there's some of them over here.
And up on the line and shoot that.
Oh, that's Outlaw's line.
Take aim and fire. Then pull back and reload.
Bloody hell. Where did all the team go?
Lads,
Take aim! They're on the right, they're on the left. Choose whichever target you like. Just shoot the devils. Kill them.
target-rich environment, gentlemen.
Exactly. A Taru! Right, on this way. Wow, that one went on for a while. I like that.
The translation for true is vero.
Vero.
Vero!
Vero!
With the E, basically.
I failed math so many times I can't even count.
Oh, shut up. Oh, there's loads of them. I don't want to hear it. Outlaw, go and hold that orange tree over there. Go on.
What, tenderly or?
Yeah, that one over there on the left.
Alright, where are they?
I tell you what, we'll take that orange tree. I wasn't joking, Outlaw. I meant that tree.
And fire.
Outlaw.
Yep.
Just try and survive till they all charge. They're all just turtling. Ah, good. Outlaw's here. Jolly good. We got Outlaw taking Jimmy's line because he's not here.
Alright. Hello, Dinklebean.
Hello.
Is your side clear?
Mostly, they're all in the camp, so we're just going to go and push them in the ruins over there.
Okay. Alright, I'll join you.
Get back. Get away from him.
Dinkle!
Ah,
No, it's coming!
Outlaw.
It's coming! It's coming! Oh,
Shoot him, lad. Shoot him.
I can't walk us through life as well.
Come on.
Right, cover the surgeon. He's got the gun. Cover the surgeon.
You're melee king.
No.
Why does he have a knife? You have a...
Nice double column, if you please, bayonets. Keep the bayonets on, actually. We'll keep them on.
Long time no see.
Ah, hello there, Outlaw Wolves there. Lovely to see you.
Give me my
Right.
job. It's so nice to see everyone.
Good job you back, man. We need a company.
Thank you. I've been working too. Mordor is a terrible employer.
All right.
Mordor?
They're kind of hiding behind it at the moment. Let's just hold for a moment. I tell you what. Everyone on my left, Outlaw Wolf, you're going to take everyone on my left. You're going to hold this flank. And you're going to take aim at that hill, right? Everyone on my left, take aim at that hill and cover us. Everyone on my right with me. Straight ahead towards the next hill.
Take aim, take aim.
Casting haste. Cannons under left.
On this line.
Okay, right, my line. Left face while you reload.
Take aim and fire.
With me while you're reloading. Right, Outlaw, you can keep that line to the end of the round, Chief. They're yours now.
Copy, copy.
My line with
Whistling
me.
to the right.
Good luck singing it out loud. Bye-bye.
Resources of multiple people, but I think for one guy... Oh no, Dinkle!
How did you just die? Oh my god.
Of all the people!
Who's in
Now what?
charge?
That's it, I'm fucking...
Who is the
I'm
next in
running
the
back.
command?
I'm gonna go join the wolf guy. Yeah, me too. To Wolf.
They've lost their leader.
Yes, we follow the Outlaw Wolf.
Casting haste.
Gentlemen, can you fully indulge me with a two?
I tell you what, Outlaw, do you want to take a few volunteers? Do you want to take a few chaps and take another line? A third line might do us well here.
Chaps with me, chaps with me.
A few
Any
volunteers
one
who'd like
consider
more
themselves a
chance
chap?
of survival,
Chap with
join
me.
Outlaws lie. Are they gonna hide it? I bet they are as well. I tell you what, left face, let's lure them over. Let's run away a little bit.
Run away.
Now let's see, do they take the bait? They're not taking the bloody bait. We're making it look like we're running away, Outlaw Wolf. We're trying to lure them over the hill.
Run away.
Oh, okay.
Run away.
Fall back a few arches.
We're running away!
Yeah, we're definitely running away.
Running away. We're scared.
Are we?
Reform here, reform here. Take aim, point blank range.
Oh no!
They got a good few kills though.
You think you can reload in time?
Come on, you got a shot. Well done, team. Well done, lads. Routed them. Perfectly done. Perfectly done.
We should run away, we should run away.
Gents over here. I assume Dinkles.
Get with him.
You've saved.
Thanks, you saved our lives.
Sippy take Dinkles. My lot with me. Some with Sippy.
I think I muted Zippy, so I'll stay with Outlaw.
Little barricade. Watch out for the rockets. Take aim and fire. mode.
Team did very well there. Very impressed with the publics. Outlaw and Sippy are doing very good jobs. Or Tabby. I can't remember who's leading. No, Outlaw, Tabby should have led the other, but I think Sippy's taken over from Tabby. But altogether, they did very well. Very proud. Very pleased. Judges being called. The publics sally forth against the... Oh, they're actually up against all the regimentals here, so God bless them. God help them. They're going to need it.
Yes.
Oh no, we're getting
When the
pincered.
courage of men fails.
I believe they've got this one. So it begins. First kill goes to the Brits. 4 kills to the Brits, 1 kill to the French.
Oh
3 kills
God,
to the
I
French,
didn't fight.
4 kills to the Brits. 1 kill to the Brits again, 2 kills to the French, 1 kill to the
How
Brits,
did
2
you
kills to the Brits, 1
survive?
kill to the French, 2 kills to the Brits, 1 kill to the French, 5 kills to the Brits, 6, 7 kills to the Brits, 2 kills to the French, 3 kills to the French, 6 kills to the Brits. It's not gone well at all for our boys. They got absolutely mowed. Come on, I'm on a third column on the right side here. Third column on the right for Outlaw's line. There we go, Outlaw. There's your line. Mid column with me.
All those fancy chaps who could do a double column very well. Doubles rank.
Yeah, those of you who fancy a better chance of survival, join Outlaw's line. Look, the whole team there.
My wife asked me if I'd seen the dog bowl. I said I didn't know he played cricket.
That's good, young man.
Whoever laughed, I'm going to have you shot. All of those who laughed to the front of the line, you're going to be my personal meat shield for the rest of the round.
Whoever laughed into my line, please.
Not that way anyway, sir.
Yeah, it was glorious.
Is an idiot.
In Ghost Game.
Taroo!
I mean, going into the Sophic voice.
What do you mean?
Okay, let's go.
Fight! Ooh! Oh! Dinklebean won! Holy shit! Wow!